welcome. It's Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect, and we are on January week 3, and our topic is being bold. Our Simply Social topic for the month is dealing with confidence and attitude. So this week we will be brainstorming bold ways to show up in 2018. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself in the category of being bold? Go ahead and fill in that number right there. Why did you give yourself that number? Think of a time in your life where you had to be bold. Write down the situation. How did it feel? Have you been bold in your business? What was the situation and how did that feel? How would your life and business be enhanced if you were able to show up this way every day? And bold, I've broken it down to mean brave, open, love, and deliberate. Spend some time in your chapter groups discussing the topic of being bold. Share multiple strategies that have worked for you and create an ongoing list on the next page. Examples: show yourself love, grace, and compassion every day. Set a goal and exceed it. Stand up for someone. Speak your mind. Ask probing questions. Ask for referrals. Do something that scares you every day. Now it's your turn. Keep the list going with the help of your chapter. Sending you all love this week. Why not take some sticky notes and write the words, "I am bold," and place them on your mirror, your bulletin board, and refrigerator as a gentle reminder. Sending you all love and hugs. Have a great week.